Good Saturday morning, everyone. February 7th, 2026. The word for today will be coming from 1 Samuel chapter 1. The faith that birthed the great prophet. Hannah was speaking in her heart, her lips moved, but her voice could not be heard, so Eli thought she was drunk. Eli said to her, "How long are you going to stay drunk? Stop drinking your wine." But Hannah answered, "No, my lord, I'm a very unhappy woman. I have not drunk either wine or other strong liquor. Rather, I've been pouring out my soul before Adonai." Now Hannah has Samuel and gives him to the Lord. The husband Elkanah went up to all his household to offer the yearly sacrifice to Adonai and fulfill his vow. But Hannah didn't go, explaining to her husband, "Not till the child has been weaned, then I will bring him so that he can appear before Adonai and live there forever." After the bull had been slaughtered, the child was brought to Eli. And she said, "My Lord, as surely as you live, my Lord, I am the woman who stood here near you praying to Adonai. I prayed for this child, and Adonai has granted the request I asked of him. Therefore, I too have loaned him to Adonai as long as he lives. He is on loan to Adonai." And he prostrated himself there before Adonai. Hallelujah. Baruch atah Hashem Adonai. God bless you. Thank you for listening, and enjoy the day God gave you. Essie.